Hello everyone, the DIY Guy Fire Alarm here, and today we're going to be unboxing a new fire alarm I got recently. So, this fire alarm right here is a pretty special device, and it is pretty rare, is what I'm going to say about it. So, what is it? It is a system sensor BRK. Model is right here, SS-24C. What does the C mean? Now, I will give you a clue. It looks something like this, but it's not this. But in a second, we're about to find out when I unbox this. However, I need to get into a little details before I get to the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the bottom part if you don't want to listen to this. Now, you may not see me produce as much fire alarm videos on this channel. I am busy and I do not have enough room or any equipment to do any fire alarm system tests at the moment. We're currently under renovation and it's gonna take a while, so that is why I haven't been posting fire alarm content or anything. It's just too much of a mess and I don't want to show that stuff, so there we go. There's my explanation right there. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. So, this is how you open it. Oh, I could have just... Oh, it's just faded away completely. Anyway, here's the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's a ceiling mount version of a system sensor mash remote strobe. It is the old generation because the old generation have a thicker fire lettering and later generation have a small fire lettering. For an example, I don't have one out right now. Here's what the device looks like. It looks pretty cool, but the coloring looks weird here. It looks fine over here. That look a little weird, but it's not gonna bother me too much. But here's the thing. Both of these are actually pretty rare. This is a 12 volt version. This is the 24 volt version. Now, I'm taking this out to compare because this is what its box looks like from that. And I have the box for the BRK version, which is the late 80s version. And I think this is the later 80s to like early 90s when they made these. Correct me if I'm wrong, but here we go. So we have the instruction manual here and the alarm itself. It's pretty much the same way this is packaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that right now. This might be the alarm from the listing picture. Maybe. Don't look like it. It looks dirty. Oh, I can see. It looks dirty. It's probably got very dirty. So, I don't know if I can clean that up and fix it, but I'll do it later. But here's the device itself. SS-24. This is the 12 version model. You can see the difference here. This had the system sensor tag. This had the BRK tag. Both of these are pretty rare anyway. So yeah, this is pretty much the alarm itself. Now, the ceiling version of the system sensor masks are pretty darn rare. They're very hard to find because you don't see that much. I mean, ceiling versions of these up here are rare, and I have it right there in front of me next to my ESDL1. And as you can see, this one is rare because it doesn't have the fire letter in the front, but I'm getting off topic. Let me just get onto the alarm. So yeah, this is pretty much the alarm itself. I have to turn them on the back. This one have the Phillips version, this one have the flat screw version, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. And it comes with the manual, and it doesn't seem like it comes with the hardware associated. Let me see. Nope, that's it. I mean, that's not an issue. I have spares, so So there we go. That's the alarm itself. I hope everybody have a great day and take care and enjoy a quick little test. Alright, now we're on to testing the device. So this alarm has not been powered since 1990, or at least 32 years. So I have no idea if this is going to work or not. So it's going to take a while for the strobe to charge for the first time, because again, it have not been turned on in decades. So smoke test. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Alright. Let's see if it works. Now we just have to wait. There we go. Now, it flashes pretty slow because this is the non-ADA device and it's from the 1990s. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and unplug this. And there we go. Now, that's the overview of the device and test. And I hope you have a great day. Until then, see you on the next one.